What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be installing this innovative mount. This is a 95A mount. It's a trans mount. I haven't gotten the rest of them yet because I don't even know if I want to go this stiff. So obviously going to get to installing this. It's not that hard. There's one bolt to the top, two at the bottom. I'm not sure what size they are, but they look to be about 14s or 17s. Real easy, simple install. If you're not comfortable doing the work, obviously don't do it. Like a trained professional or a practitioner professional do it or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna get to this install. Now before I put this back in the cart, dude, I'm gonna go ahead and say this is a pain to get out. The first thing you really need to do is have your transmission supported, because you're gonna probably want to move that up and down and figure out where you want to get that from. But dude, this bracket right here, the actual trans bracket that sits on these three studs, I'm telling you this right now, it will not come out. It will not come around the mount. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to find some magical way that Willy Wonka discovered, probably no one ever found out, how to get this hell out of here. You're gonna have to take these two bolts at the bottom, and dude, these are okay. Like, you could put an extendo in between that, this bracket right here, you can put an extendo in between that and get to this one right here. You can probably get to that one. But this one, yo, you need a 17mm wrench. Go out and get you one if you plan on tackling this job, if you don't already have one. But yo, make sure you got that. This is a pain, I'm telling you. All right, so like right now, I'm in the car and it's been about 3 or 4 hours since I put the mount in. And low-key, it's not even that bad. I mean, granted, it's just a trans mount. The shifting and everything feels a lot better. I really like it. And honestly, I highly recommend this to anybody who has a CG and wants it to be. Well, it's not even that, because I have a stage 3 clutch, low-key. It makes it feel a whole lot better. It actually feels like a performance clutch, but you do get a bit of vibration. Like, I'm just gonna put it up against the steering wheel right quick. Yeah, it's nothing crazy though, but I have a full interior car, and that's just a trans mount. It's a 95A trans mount. It honestly, it's just a trans mount. I don't know if you can even hear the vibrations through the camera. Honestly, you shouldn't. They're not even that loud, but it feels a lot better. I highly recommend this. But I'll be acquiring more. Like I said, I don't know if I said it earlier, but I'm going to be doing the driver's side and the rear mount. I'm not sure if I want to do the rear mount yet, because I don't want to be too, I don't even care, honestly. I mean, just go ahead and say screw it and do the rear mount too. But yeah, that's all for this one. Sorry to get back so late, dude. Actually, the last clips, and I don't know. I finished it. It was so hot outside. I just went in, took a shower, put my clothes on, went for a drive, and just like said, screw it, I'll film later. But yeah, this is it. It's pretty lit, honestly. Like I said, shifting feels a lot better. Everything feels better. It feels more direct. But catch you guys in the next video. Peace.